Hi, do you want to know the difference between a person who is successful and a person who is a failure? Do you want to program your mind for success? Okay, this new year I'm going to give a gift on how to program yourself for success. Hi, if you're new to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button and also press the bell symbol so that you get constant updates. And today's topic is I am the creator of my life. So you can repeat with me. I am the creator of my life. To become the creator of your life, you need to see how the mind works. So let us understand what we think most of the time. Our mind is bombarded with a lot of thoughts, sometimes about the past or sometimes about the future. Depending on your thoughts, your life is created. If you focus more on the past, there can't be any progress in your life. Yes, good memories are a booster and an energy source. But if you keep on worrying about the past failures, rejections, insults, etc., you start to vibrate negative. And when you start to vibrate negative, you attract negative. Many times, as I keep saying, many times I say that we see ourselves from our past conditioning who we are. Most of the times we relate ourselves from a school background. Like, was I topper there? Was I an average student? Or was I a poor student? Based on that, that's where we think that's what my life is going to be. I'll be average or I'll be above average. Or I'll be poor. I want to share something. Your past has got nothing to do with your future. Yes. In fact, I have proven to many people, and many people who have been failures in the school are the toppers in business, or they are very successful in life. We all have 24 hours. In these 24 hours, maximum we can say to 8 to 10 hours is the average working hours. And during this time, there's something called a free time. Okay, 2 hours or 3 hours. During the 2 to 3 hours, what do you think about yourself? And that's what you are. Most of the failures think about the past failures, past rejections, the past setbacks. But a successful person always thinks about how he can succeed, what he can achieve, how to achieve. And this is where the thoughts differs from a failure to a successful person. Your mind cannot differentiate between real and imagination. That's the beauty about the mind. You have all the ability to create what you want to achieve in your life by programming your mind. Even if you're a failure in the past, you can program for success in your mind and the mind will start to work towards it. Similarly, even if you don't have money in your bank, you can visualize that you have all the money in your bank and you can manifest it. You can drive your dream car. You can live in your dream house in your imagination. So you may say it's imagination. No, it's not just imagination. I always keep saying, this is one of my favorite saying, what do you visualize, you materialize. But as I keep saying, this is an exercise. It cannot be just done once a while and expect miracles to happen. It never happens. It's like going to a gym for one day, working out and expecting a six-pack or expecting a fit body. It doesn't happen that way, correct? You have to do it regularly. And that's what I program people for. I always say, mind is a miracle. In fact, if you know how to work on your mind, you can manifest anything through your mind. In fact, the beauty about this is, you can ask the question like, how can I achieve this, to your mind, and your mind will give an answer in a very short period of time. This is a saying, ask and you will get it. So all successful people understand this formula and they program for success on a daily basis. But on the other side, the failures complain about the past and complain about the people who are reason for the failures. They start to blame others for their failures. So which category you want to be? To be a successful person or to remain as a failure? As I said, it's an exercise. And that's what I program people, and I say you have to do it on a daily basis. But in spite of me saying that, some of the people who are taking my sessions, they do it for some short while. Okay, when they see some goals achieved, they stop the program. And after that, maybe after 2-3 years, they call me and say, then I could see some success. When you did the program within 2 months, 3 months, I could see a lot of success. And now I'm going through failures. My first question to them is, are you listening to the tracks? And you know what the response? They say, no, I stopped it. It's very simple, like going to a gym for some months, and after that you stop it. What happens? Your body will deteriorate. You'll lose your six pack. I've been doing this program for more than 12 years. And the beauty is, whatever I program people for, they're able to manifest in a very short period of time. Very recently, a person called me and said he was able to achieve his dream of 60,000 per month. And the person was working in a fish stall cleaning the fish. Just imagine a person who is just cleaning the fish, not owning the shop. He's not a fisherman. He's not cleaning the. He's not owning a fish stall. He's just a person working in a fish stall to clean the fish. And today he says he's easily able to see 60,000 rupees every single month. Another guy who took my session 2 years before, very recently he took the 4th level, and he said he's able to manage 5 businesses very successfully, and on an average he earns 2 crores per annum every year. 2 crores per annum, and his target is 1 crore per month, which is practically possible, because what he said was, in this journey he is able to see whatever I programmed him for, he is able to manifest everything in this 2 years of time. So the question is, do you really want to program for success? Do you really want to change your destiny? If you're serious about it, as I keep saying, this particular program is completely online. You can be anywhere in the world. You can reach me out and I will teach you how to program for success in a very short period of time. If you're serious, my numbers are flashing here. Please do call me and I'll be there to help you out. Again, as I keep saying, if you have anything to share with me, put your comments here. If you want any other topics on law of attraction, okay, if you got any questions on law of attraction, please put in the comments. I'll answer it personally to you. Again, as I keep saying, share this video to as many people as you can.